On everyone, today we're up here at a great crawling place. Lots of rocks. Really fun place. We got the Axial out today. And we're just gonna see how well it does down climbing, down crawling, going down. Cause I thought this would be a cool opportunity, video opportunity to try going down this gnarly trail. It's all rocks and it should be really fun. So basically we're just gonna see, how easily does it tip over, how much weight is in the front, is there too much in the front and too little in the back. So stay tuned and
You're an angel and you know it. I want you to know with you I feel alive now. No way to deny it. Love the way we're vibing, girl, I'm on a high now. Together we can be denied. I can only dream of what will be tonight. Anything we want, everything divine. Living in the heavens up on cloud nine. 'Cause we own the night, like the stars in the northern lights, where the sparks in our hearts collide. We own the night, only us and the endless sky. All the world just for you and I.
Alright, which way should we go? This way? That way. I think we're gonna go down this crazy trail.
Feelings running wild, girl, it's been a while. Never wanna lose this. Oh no, you ain't even trying. Struck me like you're lightning, like there's nothing to it. Together we can be denied. I can only dream of what will be tonight. Anything we want, everything divine. Living in the heavens up on cloud nine. 'Cause we own the night, like the stars in the northern lights, where the sparks in our hearts collide. We own the night, only us and the endless sky. All the world just for you and I. We own the night. We own the night. We own the night. We own
So I'm driving along and my radio appears to be dead. Come on, guys. I just changed out the double A's before I went up here and it appears to be dying, so I guess we'll keep driving. I feel like we're close. See what happens. Alright, so we're gonna have to call it there. It decided to die. This fly sky decided to crap out the radio. the double A's died, and the weird thing is I just replaced them. So it's so hot out. I just replaced them right as I was going up the start of the trail. I was like, great, because I always bring spares, and these died already. It's crazy. So I'm thinking the LCD uses a lot of power. But let's just talk about the performance. Sorry I had to cut this video short. It did really well. One thing to address, it does flip easy. Now with a little throttle finesse, you can just pull the trigger and it will go slap down on the back. But I do think there may be not enough weight in the rear. Now this is a weird thing to say, because you know, when you're crawling up, you want more weight in the front. But because this truck really just got a battery in the front, and there's really nothing in the back. Like, it's super, super light. I mean, it's way more lightweight than my TRX4, so I'm thinking maybe some weights in the back, but it does good going down. Still say the TRX4 wins in that category. I do want to get someone else out here so we can do a comparison, which would be fun. This is a great trail. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Hope that helped you see like how it performs going downhill. It's harder with crawlers. You want to have it balanced so there's not too much weight in the front, not too much in the rear. So I'd say just add a little. I'm probably going to add a little bit to the rear. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. So of course, we were just right up there, switchback, up there, and it decides to die, so we can't do this. I mean, the road's right there, the end of the trail is right there. It's like, come on.